As someone that's had OCD for most of my life to varying degrees, I sometimes like to use it as a comparison for how effective manifestation can actually be. I don't know if this is the healthiest way of thinking about it, but a common way of not curing OCD but working on it is exposure therapy. So if you find yourself fearful of a certain situation, or for me, I used to be a massive checker. So before I left the house, having to check every plug, having to check every tap, having to check every door or fridge door was shut, and same before I went to bed. The best way to overcome that is to just not do it and to deal with the discomfort in the moment. And that might sound like a strange comparison to manifestation, but essentially with OCD, you kind of have to pretend that you don't have it until the point that your brain, I don't want to say like recalibrates, but basically forgets or loses the habit of or the habitual worry. And it does work. I mean, for me, OCD comes and goes, and I'll have sort of times in my life where it comes back with full force and other moments where I don't even notice it. But whenever I'm struggling to kind of remember about manifestation or convince myself that it is a real thing, I remember that OCD is a prime example of how if you just pretend you don't have something for long enough, your brain does recalibrate. And so in the same way, if you pretend that you do have something for long enough, surely your brain must also then believe that that's true as well and recalibrate. Maybe I'm just being crazy, but let me know if that makes sense.